I haven't posted since last year. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, it's winter season now, and that means basketball season. Here's a clip that Blake Whitney made for us. Here's what's new in 2020, or like new old. The GoPro's back. We got a mic now though. We're gonna be miking up some fun characters that'll probably make the vlog more interesting. Here's an example.
I'm the captain now.
You heard it here first.
Look at me.
From WCTV 19, this is Dom Spence and Joey Soto. Thank you, I'm out.
Look at him.
Oh, and we got the bag.
I didn't know you were Mike.
Yeah,
Also, I have made a new Instagram page called Nia's Vlog Outtakes, and it's basically everything that I can't put in the main channel. It's now on the Instagram, and it's pretty hilarious, not gonna lie. It's not even me. That's probably why it's funny. Anyways, enjoy the vlog. See you in a second.
But I was actually talking about the dance team hip-hop team who just performed their dance hot. Please be sure to come out to the spring musical, high school musical, March 5th.
What you guys doing?
I gotta keep it perfectly even.
You do it at lunch or?
Beautiful cut.
Alright. These go back in.
Come on, we keeping it fair out here.
Always.
Flex. Thank you.
How to go about shoes. Break it down by shapes and sizes. I'm a man who's got very specific taste.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Just my type. Oh, you got a pulse and you are real.
Oh, hit a dunk today, Tony. Hit a dunk today.
Oh, I think it's time for you. Just my type.
Hey, a gust of wind can knock you over. Dad should have married a taller wife.
Number two, nice catch.
Oh, he looked no ref. And 11.
Body 11. Get body. Duck it.
That's two guns. Hit the weight room. Hit the weight room. Interview you for a second.
Yeah, what's up?
Hey, here's the camera. How do you think this game's going so far?
It's going pretty good. We're up 44 to 39.
What's been our biggest strength?
Everything.
Should I get interviewed? Hi, how do you think the game's going?
I think it's going pretty good right now. We got to step it up in the second half to get that dub.
How can we step it up in the second half to get the dub? Please tell me, elaborate.
I think we need better defense. Our press is not very good right now. Ryan King will show up, and I know the Chief will get in at the end of the game. That's all I know.
He said defense and the Chief. That's the key to winning this game. From WCTV 19, I'm Joseph Soto, I'm out.
I think it should be on, if that's on.
That is.
Okay, watch.
Nia, I just ate a lot of food before this. I took a thing of cereal, like
Got a bowl, put a lot of milk in it, ate it all, tasted really good. I think you should try some Frosted Flakes, they're really delicious. All right.